Hola, travelers, and welcome back to our podcast, your go to space for immersive, story rich, and ultra detailed destination deep dives. Today, we're wandering through cobble lanes, climbing medieval walls, and sipping on cherry liquor in one of Portugal's most magical hidden gems, Obidos. This episode is your airport to airport itinerary packed with famous sites, secret local tips, Instagram worthy photo ops, where to sleep and what to eat, how much it will cost you, all in USD, and even a few fun facts you can wow your travel buddies with. Let's head off to the land of castles and chocolate. Uh, Arrive in Portugal, your journey starts at Lisbon's Humberto Delgado Airport, LIS, the Lis Airport. About 50 miles or 80 kilometers from Obidos, it's the closest international airport in a perfect entry point. Once you land, grab your rental car or hop on a bus or train. Car rental gives you freedom and is roughly 40 per day, $40 per day. If you're going budget friendly, the Ready Expressos bus from Lisbon to Obidos costs about $10 USD and takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Pro tip, if you can arrive in the morning, Obidos is stunning at golden hour and you'll want to check into your hotel, freshen up, and grab your camera for the first round of shots. Um, so, the moment you step into Obidos, it's like falling into a fairy tale. The whitewashed houses, colorful bougainvillea, and terracotta roofs make this walled village absolutely charming. It's small, walkable, and completely encircled by medieval walls. You can actually walk on, yes, no railings, so watch your step. The language and currency tips. So locals speak Portuguese, but basic English is understood in touristy spots. Still a smile and a bon dia, good morning, go a long way. Portugal uses the euro and 1 USD equals about 93 per euro as of early 2025. Keep some cash on hand, though most places accept cards. Hotel recommendations, luxury stay at Poasada Castelho de Obidos. Stay in a real medieval castle, around 180 to 250 USD per night. Incredible atmosphere and breakfast included. Mid-range Casas das Senhoras Renhas. Boutique stay inside the walls with stunning views, around 130 to 150 USD per night. Budget Hostel Argonauta, cozy, artsy, and well located for backpackers at about 35 to 50 USD per night. Food recommendation, dinner with a view, Comendador Selva, elevated Portuguese cuisine. Try the codfish lagariero, around 25 to 35 USD per person. Casual bite, a Nova Casa de Ramiro, great for tapas-style local eats. Budget 15 to 20 USD. Sweet tooth must have chocolate from the Obidos Chocolate House. Obidos even hosts an annual international chocolate festival. Secret local tip, try the Gijinha de Obidos, a cherry liquor served in a chocolate shot glass. It's only about 1 to 2 USD in a local rite of passage. Things to do, medieval castle walls walk, free and stunning views. Don't miss sunrise or sunset. Igreja de Santa Maria, a mix of Gothic and Renaissance styles. Beautiful blue and white azulejos, tiles inside. Obidos Aqueduct, built in the 16th century, it stretches all the way to Oseria, great for history buffs. Bookstore lovers unite. Obidos is a UNESCO city for literature. Visit Libraria de Santiago, a church-turned bookstore. Pink and Green Street. The Pink Street Roa de Rieta is the main drag. It's filled with colorful doors, cute cafes, and artisan shops. The Green Street Roa Josefa de Obidos is lined with plants and quieter corners. Instagram tip, stand at the castle wall entrance during sunset for jaw-dropping golden hour shots. Also, snap the tiled fountain in the main square, pure magic. Secret local experiences, Pado Nights. Some wine bars host live Pado music nights, unadvertised but unforgettable. Olive oil tasting at Merceria de Ideas, a small gourmet shop off the main path. Artisan workshop. Ask locals if any pottery or tile painting workshops are open. Support local and take home a handmade souvenir. Souvenir suggestion, hand-painted azulejo tiles. Usually it's a blue and white. Locally made cherry liquor, ginjaha. Cork products. Portugal is the world's largest cork producer. Artisan bookmarks from Obidos Literary Festival if visiting in October. Best time to visit is spring, April to June, and early fall, September to October are ideal. Avoid July and August or the summertime. Fewer crowds, lovely weather, and festival season is alive. The Chocolate Festival is in March and April, and the medieval market is in July. Dress up and eat turkey legs like it's the 1300s. So total cost estimated is 3 day per person. USD is flight round trip $700 from US East Coast. Transport, car rental or bus $40 to $80. Hotel for 2 nights $70 to $500 depending on budget. Food and drinks $90. Attractions, souvenirs $50. Total of $950 to $1,420 USD per person for the 3 day trip for Obidos. Trivia time. Did you know that Obidos was once gifted by King Denis to Queen Isabel as a wedding present in the 13th century? That's right, this entire town was considered a royal love letter. Also, the name Obidos comes from the Latin oppidum, meaning citadel or fortified city. So, Obidos may be small, but it's steeped in magic, mystery, and medieval charm. Whether you're wandering the ramparts, sipping ginja, or discovering a tucked-away bookstore, this is a destination that speaks straight to the soul. If you like this episode or inspired your wanderlust, be sure to subscribe, share, and leave a review. Until next time, my friend, travel bold and travel curious. Ciao!